Today we'll discuss about the metabolic equivalent. It expresses the energy cost of any physical activity. It tells us that how much energy a physical activity requires, and it indicates that how many times BMR, basal metabolic rate, is or should be increased to perform a certain type of physical activity. A metabolic equivalent, one score of metabolic equivalent is equivalent to resting energy expenditure. It's approximately equivalent to 1 kilocalorie per kg per hour. Met score for standing. Met score for standing is 1.3. It means you will expend 1.3 times more energy your body used when it's at rest. Similarly, Met score for resistance exercise it means you will expend 3.5 times energy your body need when it is at rest. So let's discuss that how we can use it, how we can use the Met score to calculate the physical and calories that will be required to perform that activity. So to calculate the total energy expenditure of a specific physical activity, we must know the Met score of that physical activity. So here I'm sharing a table with you. This table is actually summarizing the Met score of different physical activities. For example, my body weight is, suppose my body weight is 60 kg and I'm taking brisk walk for 1 hour. So the Met score for brisk walk is, the Met score for brisk walk is 5. So it means that is 5 kilocalorie. So 5 Met score is equivalent to 5 kilocalorie per kg per hour. So to calculate the energy that is required to perform brisk walk, to do brisk walk for 1 hour, what I will do? I will multiply 5 kilocalorie, that's per kg. So multiply with my body weight, that is 60, and per hour, for 1 hour. So I am doing this work for 1 hour, so I will multiply it with 1. So it will be 300 calories. So I need 300 kilocalories to perform brisk walk for 1 hour. Let's take another example. My body weight is 60 kg and suppose I'm joining weight training. I'm doing weight training for 1 hour and the Met score is 5. Met score for weight training is 5. So it's equivalent to 5 kilocalorie per kg per hour. So 5 into, I will multiply it with my body weight, that is 60, and with or that is that's time, that's hours that I'm doing that specific physical activity. So I'm doing it for 1 hour, so I will multiply it with 1, so it will be 300 kilocalories. So let's take a different example, that suppose I'm doing swimming for 1 hour, and the met score for swimming is 6. So it will be equivalent to 6 kilocalorie per kg per hour. So I'll multiply 6 with my body weight, that is 60, and I'm doing it for 1 hour, so multiply with 1. So it will be 360 kilocalorie per kg. So I need 360 kilocalories to perform swimming for 1 hour. So in this way, we can calculate the energy expenditure. We can calculate that how much energy is required to perform any certain physical activity.